Every day, Fairfax County's finest public safety and law enforcement personnel risk their lives to keep our families and neighborhoods safe. They are the unsung heroes of our community. Recently, the Fairfax County Chamber of Commerce held the 32nd annual Valor Awards ceremony at the McLean Hilton to honor these men and women for their remarkable bravery in the line of duty. The Medal of Valor is awarded at the gold, silver, and bronze level for bravery and heroism above the call of duty in acts involving great personal risk. The Certificate of Valor is awarded in recognition of acts which involve personal risk or demonstrated judgment, zeal, or ingenuity not normally expected in the performance of duties. The Life-Saving Award is given to public safety personnel or a unit in recognition of acts taken in a life-threatening situation, where an individual's life is in jeopardy. A proud tradition of the Fairfax County Chamber of Commerce since 1979, the Valor Awards ceremony showcases striking accounts of courage by public safety personnel and law enforcement. Congratulations to all Valor Award recipients.